see every one of you. Just connect to Uni yung Sugi, ha? Connect to Uni yung Sugi. I'll just here in school, Sir Gran. I'm in the school for a while. Of course, it's been, Sir Gran Loco. Okay, that is the flag of Hong Kong. Flag of Hong Kong. Kyla Boo. Nag-love shout out, Kyla Boo. Guys, you leave the comment to my member, okay? Leave the comment to my member. There is a one video there, guys, no? There's a one video. Actually, my member, guys, is just, supporting me, no? Pitsido, di kita niyan, Pitsido, no? Nagsusupport lang sa akin yan, Pitsido. Ito si, yung pinag-uusapan natin dati, Pitsido. Yung, watching, di ba? Ito yung pinag-uusapan natin na ano yung bahay, no? Hindi naman nasira yung bahay, pero sinipa ni Lolo yung video na, alam mo na, ito siya. Nagtago siya sa pangalang ganito, Pitsido, pero love na love niya pa rin ako. Alam mo yung Pitsido? No? Siya ito. Ayram, pakidikitan yung nakapin natin, ha? Kasi alam mo, nahihiya ako dito, guys, no? Kasi hindi ko rin siya mabigyan ng karampatang kasi nga, isa lang ang video niya, guys, no? Isa lang. So, pero nakita nyo, guys, marami nagsasubscribe, di ba? Kasi napakabait niya. Kahit saan siya pumupunta. Okay? Pero wala yung ibang babanggitin kundi pangalan ko lang. Kaya maiinis kayo dyan. Yung dating nagla-live yan, ako lang ang binabanggit yung pangalan. Hindi niya binabasa yung iba. Wala siyang ibang gusto. Kaya nakakatuwa lang din yung may mga ganitong lahi na kaibigan natin. Diba? I'm always rooting. I love you, Uni. Thank you so much, Uni. I don't know how to say it to you, but I'm very grateful. I know she cannot understand me because I cannot speak in Korean. She cannot understand English. Only I translate. But I'm very grateful to these people, guys. Kaya I hope you can connect to my sister from Korea. Actually, she is just supporting me. No, she's just just a hobby. No, but I'm very grateful kasi nagpa-member pa. Hindi ko alam na siya ay nagpa-member, guys, Nakita ko na lang sa aking guys na siya ay may badge na. So nagulat ako, no? I surprised when I saw in my studio that I have a new member. So I surprised kasi sobra natatouch ako, guys, no? I was so touched, no? May mga ganitong tao na wala naman akong ginawa sa kanila, pero ganito nila ako tinitreasure. Ganito nila ako nare-respeto. So, thank you so much, Uni. Ayan si Koy Ayram. Ay, nako. Dito lang muna ako, guys, sa labas. Apel. Just here outside, here. Ayan. Papakita tayo kay Uni. Wait lang. No? Kamsahamnida, Uni, Yunsugi. Ayan. Thank you for supporting, Sonia. Yes, Sir Gran. Manila is so easy to go. I hope also Uni Yunsugi will come to visit me in Manila. Ayan, magpapakita lang muna ako, ha. Dali lang, guys, ha. Yeah.